Men over 60, listen closely, because what I'm about to share with you might completely change how you feel when you wake up tomorrow morning. I'm talking about real energy again, real strength, mental sharpness, less stiffness, better circulation, and yes, better performance where it really matters. And the crazy part? It doesn't come from expensive supplements, injections, or shocking treatments. It comes from one simple drink you can make at home in under 2 minutes. Most men your age are drinking the wrong thing every morning and wondering why they feel tired, weak, foggy, and stiff all day. But today I'm going to show you what to drink instead naturally, safely, and powerfully. So stay with me to the end because this might be the most important habit shift you make this year. Now let me ask you something honestly. How do you usually feel when you wake up these days? Do you feel refreshed, strong, and ready to take on the day? Or do you feel stiff, slow, drained, and foggy even after a full night's sleep? If you're over 60, chances are your body just doesn't bounce back the way it used to, and that's not your fault. As men age, testosterone gradually drops, circulation slows, muscle tissue weakens, digestion gets sluggish, inflammation builds up, and the body simply becomes less efficient at producing energy. That's why so many men in their 60s, 70s, and even 50s feel like they're running at half power. But here's the truth. No one tells you. Aging does not mean giving up your vitality. It means you need smarter habits, not harder ones. Vitality isn't just about feeling less tired. It's about waking up with purpose, having strong limbs, a sharp mind, steady confidence, and stable energy that lasts all day instead of crashing by noon. It's about being able to walk, lift, think, laugh, and live without feeling like your body is fighting you. And one of the most powerful ways to restore that vitality starts with what you drink first thing in the morning. Now, before I reveal the drink, let me explain why mornings are so important. When you wake up, your body is dehydrated, your blood is thicker, your cells are sluggish, your brain is still foggy, your digestion is slow, and your hormones are at their lowest point of the day. Whatever you put into your body in that first hour sets the tone for your energy, inflammation, circulation, and mental clarity for the next 12 hours. Most men wake up and immediately drink coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee spikes stress hormones, raises cortisol, strains the adrenal glands, tightens blood vessels, and often leads to mid-morning crashes, anxiety, and fatigue later in the day. Others drink cold sugary juices that spike blood sugar, inflame the body, and feed fat storage. Neither of these restore vitality. They drain it. The drink I'm about to share works differently. It hydrates deeply. It improves circulation. It wakes up digestion gently. It reduces inflammation. It supports natural testosterone production. It sharpens mental clarity. It improves joint flexibility. It strengthens immunity. And yes, it even supports better performance and confidence for men over 60. And the best part is, it's natural, affordable, and backed by centuries of traditional use and modern research. Here's the drink: warm water with fresh lemon juice, ginger, and a small amount of raw honey. Now don't click away because you think this sounds too simple. Simple is exactly why it works. The human body responds powerfully to the basics when they're done consistently and correctly. Let me walk you through exactly why this drink is so effective for men over 60. Warm water is the foundation. As we age, cellular hydration becomes less efficient. That means even if you drink water during the day, your cells may still function in a dehydrated state. Warm water absorbs faster than cold water. It relaxes the digestive system. It improves blood flow. It gently flushes toxins from the liver and kidneys. And it prepares the stomach to actually absorb nutrients instead of shocking it awake. That alone improves morning stiffness and fatigue. Now let's talk about lemon. Fresh lemon juice is loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and powerful antioxidants. Vitamin C is essential for collagen production, which keeps joints strong, skin firm, and blood vessels flexible. Potassium supports heart rhythm and muscle contraction. Lemons also stimulate bile production in the liver, which improves digestion and helps break down fats more efficiently. That means better nutrient absorption, less bloating, and more sustained energy. Lemon also helps balance the body's pH, reducing systemic inflammation that causes joint pain, stiffness, and fatigue in older men. Now let's add ginger, which is where the real magic starts happening. Ginger is one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds on Earth. It improves circulation by relaxing blood vessels and increasing nitric oxide production. Better circulation means more oxygen reaching the brain, muscles, and organs. That's vital for men over 60. It reduces joint pain and stiffness. It improves digestion and nutrient absorption. It reduces insulin resistance. It strengthens immune response. And yes, ginger has been shown to support healthy testosterone levels and male performance by improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress. Finally, we add a small amount of raw honey, not refined sugar, raw, unprocessed honey. This provides natural glucose for quick morning energy, enzymes for digestion, and powerful antibacterial compounds for immune strength. Honey also supports liver glycogen stores, which stabilizes blood sugar throughout the day and prevents energy crashes. That means fewer mood swings, less fatigue, and steadier strength. When you combine all of this into one warm morning drink, you create a powerful internal reset for the entire body. Circulation improves, hormones stabilize, inflammation drops, energy rises, clarity sharpens, and your body starts behaving younger than its actual age. Let me explain what most men notice when they start this habit consistently. Within the first few days, many report feeling lighter in the morning with less heaviness in the joints. Digestion improves. Bloating reduces. Within 1 to 2 weeks, mental clarity becomes sharper. Memory improves. Stiffness decreases. Energy becomes more stable. Men often notice warmer hands and feet, which is a sign of improved circulation. Within a month, many men report better stamina, stronger libido, fast recovery after activity, and even improved mood and confidence. And over several months, this small daily ritual can contribute to healthier blood pressure, stronger immunity, improved blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation throughout the body. Now let me show you how to make this drink properly, because proportions and timing matter. When you wake up, before coffee, before breakfast, take 1 glass of warmed up boiling water. Squeeze the juice of half a fresh lemon into it. Add about half a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger, or a 1/4 teaspoon of powdered ginger if fresh isn't available. Then add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Stir it well and sip it slowly over 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. That's the entire ritual. Do this every single morning without skipping. Consistency is what creates results, not 1 or 2 days, not 1 week. This is a daily investment in how you feel, move, and think for the rest of your life. Now let's talk honestly about something many men over 60 hesitate to talk about: strength, performance, and confidence. As men age, blood flow decreases, testosterone declines, nerve sensitivity dulls, and energy fades. This affects not only physical performance, but mental confidence. Ginger and lemon together improve nitric oxide production, which directly improves blood vessel function. That means improved circulation everywhere in the body. Better circulation means stronger performance, better endurance, and better recovery. It also means warmer extremities, less numbness, and improved cardiovascular health. Testosterone naturally declines with age, but lifestyle has a massive influence on how fast that decline happens. Chronic inflammation, poor blood sugar control, poor sleep, and nutrient deficiencies accelerate testosterone loss. This morning drink directly tackles inflammation and blood sugar control while improving nutrient absorption and circulation. Over time, this supports the body's natural hormone balance without artificial intervention. Now let's address something very important. This drink is not a miracle cure. It won't replace medical treatment if you have serious health condition. But what it does remarkably well is restore the body's foundation. And when your foundation is strong, everything built on it becomes stronger too. Your joints feel younger when inflammation drops. Your mind feels clearer when circulation improves. Your energy feels steadier when blood sugar stabilizes. Your confidence rises when your body stops fighting against you. One of the most beautiful things about this ritual is that it gives you control. You're not waiting for appointments. You're not relying on pills alone. You're actively participating in your own healing every single morning. Let's talk about what happens when men ignore morning hydration and inflammation for years. Blood becomes thicker, arteries stiffen, joints grind instead of glide. Muscles weaken, nerves misfire. This is when men say, "I guess I'm just getting old." But often, They're not just aging, they're dehydrated, inflamed, undernourished, and hormonally stressed. This drink helps reverse those internal conditions gradually and naturally. Another major benefit that often surprises men is improved digestion and reduced belly fat. As insulin sensitivity improves and digestion becomes more efficient, the body stops storing excess fat around the midsection. Visceral fat is not just cosmetic, it directly interferes with testosterone production and increases inflammation. Reducing it naturally restores hormonal balance and improves overall vitality. Sleep quality often improves too. Ginger helps regulate the digestive system, reducing nighttime bloating and reflux. Lemon supports liver detoxification, which improves nighttime metabolic activity. Better sleep means better recovery. Better recovery means stronger muscles, clearer brain function, and better emotional stability. I want to tell you about a man who started this habit at 67. He had knee pain, low energy, poor sleep, and constant afternoon crashes. He drank this every morning for 3 months. By the end of that time, his knee pain was reduced enough that he could walk 2 miles again. His afternoon crashes disappeared. His sleep improved dramatically. And he said something that stuck with me. I don't feel young again, but I feel alive again. That's the difference this ritual can make. Now let me share a few important rules so you get the maximum benefit. Do not drink this ice cold. Cold water slows digestion and constricts blood vessels. Do not add artificial sweeteners. They spike insulin and feed inflammation. Do not skip days. The body heals through repetition. And do not drink alcohol in the morning thinking it stimulates circulation. Alcohol increases inflammation and damages nerve endings long term. If you're taking medication, especially for blood pressure or blood sugar, this drink is generally safe, but always monitor how you feel and talk to your healthcare provider if anything changes significantly. This drink supports the body, it doesn't overpower it. Now here's what usually happens when men stick with this long enough. They become more active because movement becomes easier. They walk more, they stretch more, they socialize more. They feel comfortable in their body again, and that creates a beautiful upward spiral, more movement. Improves circulation. More circulation improves hormone balance. Better hormones improve mood and strength. Better strength improves confidence. And confidence brings vitality back into everything they do. This is why I'm so passionate about simple habits. The body doesn't need punishment. It needs support. It needs flow. It needs nourishment at the right time. Imagine waking up tomorrow, and instead of dragging yourself out of bed, you stretch and feel warmth in your joints. You take your warm drink. You feel your stomach wake up gently. Your mind clears. Your hands feel warmer. Your breath feels deeper. Your day begins from strength, not fatigue. That feeling compounds day after day. Now let me speak directly to the men who feel like it's too late. It is never too late to improve circulation. It is never too late to reduce inflammation. It is never too late to improve digestion. And it is absolutely never too late to restore a sense of vitality. The human body is incredibly responsive, even in later decades of life, sometimes even more so, because it finally begins receiving what it's been deprived of for years. If you start this habit today, you're not just changing tomorrow morning, you're changing the trajectory of your next 10 years. Energy determines movement. Movement determines independence. Independence determines quality of life. And quality of life is what we're truly after. Let me leave you with this thought. Every morning, you choose either to drift with decline or to actively invest in strength. You don't need extreme diets, harsh detoxes, or expensive supplements to do that. Sometimes all it takes is warm water, lemon, ginger, honey, and the decision to care for yourself consistently. If this message resonated with you, I want you to try this for 7 days. Just 7. Notice how your body responds. Notice your energy, your joints, your digestion, your mood, then keep going. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you support the channel by liking it, subscribing for more natural health strategies, and sharing this video with someone you care about, especially a man over 60 who deserves to feel strong and alive again. Your body is still capable. Your energy is still waiting. And your vitality is not gone, it just needs to be awakened.